Hi, fire signs! Welcome po sa inyong bonus reading. This is a quick guide on this season, which is Mercury in Taurus. So, nandito tayo sa Mercury in retrograde with Taurus, no? So, hihimay-himayin natin ang stages ng relationship or romance. Mag-start tayo sa reading kay singles, sa mga singles. Then, susunod po sa mga may mutual relationship. So, walang label. Doon po sa mga in relationship pero hindi pa kinasal. Doon po sa mga couples, meron din po tayong quick reading at doon sa mga in separation. I-discuss din po natin ang job and finances, no? For those who are looking for job, may mini reading po siya. For those who are looking for promotion, meron din pong reading. And for those who are looking for an increase, and then magkakaroon po tayo ng general reading, your lucky number, and your lucky caller. So kung gusto niyo po yan, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify po tayo every time na tayo gumagawa ng bagong video, no? So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences at nagla-live din po tayo doon sa kabila, no? So, kung wala kayong time, no, pwede rin naman po kayong magtanong, no, dito po sa ating YouTube video, no, sa comment section sa baba, as long as yung question is answerable by yes or no. So magsimula po tayo sa singles. Singles, 6 of Cups, the 10 of Swords, the 4 of Cups. So, fire signs. Medyo napag-iiwanan tayo from the past. Kasi ang tibok ng puso natin is past pa rin. Baka trauma lang ito o baka ayaw mo muna magjowa ngayon kahit may mga taong nakapaligid. Kasi because of what happened from the past, the Hierophant and the Chariot, no? Umaasa tayo na na babalikan tayo ng tao sa nanaiwan, no? With the 9 of Swords, the Ace of Wands, and the 2 of Swords. So kung naghahanap ka naman ng karelasyon, singles, I feel like kailangan mo munang i-heal. This is actually a message. Kailangan mo munang mag-heal and make sure na ready ka na. Kasi ikaw lang yung kakaibang singles dito apart from all those 3 elements. No? Sa'yo parang dahil yung puso mo is more of tinitibok pa rin yung past. I think do not jump into a relationship right off the bat kasi either it will just be a waste of time or baka makasakit tayo ng tao. So yan po ang ating message, no, for those who are single. How about for those who are in a mutual relationship? So walang label po ito. Basta po nagkakaintindihan po, no? So alam naman natin ang meaning ng mutual relationship o mutual understanding. So nakita ko naman dito is napakaganda ng bigayan ng energy, no? Parang kung ano yung ginagawa ng isa, ginagawa din ng isa. I feel like papunta na ito into a deeper meaning of commitment kasi ang kulang na lang siguro dito is yung formality, no? Para maging in a relationship. Madaming tanong. Iiwan ka ba nito? Ipagpapatuloy ba nito? I feel like just continue, no? Yung magandang samahan ninyo. I feel like this friendship or situationship is gonna go into a more deeper meaning, and I feel like you're going to jump into a romantic stage or in a relationship. And speaking of, so nandito na tayo sa relationship stage, pero hindi pa kasal. So tingnan natin ang reading ng mga in a relationship pero hindi pa kasal. With the Fool card, the 4 of Cups, and the 2 of Swords. So nakakita ko dito na parang merong sumisingit, no, na bago, and I don't like that. Kasi parang I feel like mas pinapaboran. Pero ang nakikita ko naman dito is you're holding on into the connection kahit nasasaktan ka na. I feel like a little obsession also with the 3 of Swords, masakit na, pero you're staying. And I'm not saying na kailangan mong umalis. Yung, kumbaga, you're bearing the pain. And I can see justice in here naman. Na this is just a piece of what is happening. No? I feel like, since wala pa naman kayo sa kasal-kasal na yan, someone is trying to explore. And maaayos naman to, no? Bubuti din ang lagay for those who are in a relationship. So how about those people who's already a couple? So meron ng kasal, meron ng agreement, no? We're not talking about yung religious wedding, kung anong religion nila, hayaan natin sila, no? Basta kinasal sila. Or those couples na meron ng anak, no? The Magician, the Page of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito, may isang tao talaga na parang super focus lang doon sa ating, um, um, kumbaga, work, project, no? Which is the relationship. May gusto tong ma-achieve. I think kung wala pa kayong anak, gusto niyo magkaanak. Kung meron kayong anak, gusto niyo nang sundan. With the Knight of Wands in here and the Hierophant, ang pinaka message lang dito, no? Do whatever it takes kung yun talaga yung goal ninyo. Pero make sure na you are capable also, no? To stand on sa ginawa ninyo, no? Kung maging firm tayo. Kung gusto nating dagdagan ng anak or kung gusto nating magkaanak, make sure na meron naman tayong pangsustento. No? Hindi lang basta init lang ng katawan kasi nakikita ko it's more of a fiery energy between you two, no? Yan po ang nakikita ko sa inyo. When it comes to those couples or magkarelasyon na in separation na, let's check the update for the Mercury in Taurus, no? The Ten of Pentacles, the Temperance, the Seven of Swords. So I feel like meron ditong paghingi ng tawad kasi I think na dumating tayo sa third party, no? So ang masakit lang dito, dumating nga sa third party, tapos iniwan ka, no? Ikaw naman tong siya yung hihingi ng sorry sa'yo as if walang nangyari. Yung sa'yo may tampo ka pa no? Bakit mo naman ako ginanito? Bakit mo ako iniwan? I feel like pabalik na ito, pero you're not fully healed. Fire sign, may konting ayoko muna kitang kausap, no? Pero ang sincerity naman ng kanyang paghingi ng tawad is sobrang totoo, no? So let's jump into another level or department of our being, which is job and finances, no? Tignan natin ang mga taong looking for job, di ba? So this is also important, no, aspects of our life, hindi lang puro puso, no? Balikan mo, no? Kung merong na-reject ikaw o ni-reject ka nung company, it's okay to go back and mag-reapply. I feel like this time makakapasok ka na. This time it's your chance to be in that company. I remember something, no? I applied for a specific company and I was rejected. And ang ganda-ganda kasi ng kumbaga reputation ng company that time. So hindi ako sumuko. I applied and then I was rejected again. And then I make better, kumbaga pinangako ko sa sarili ko na makakapasok ako dyan. This happened, no, talaga in my life na parang sinabi ko, sige, sa iba muna ako and then make sure na kapag nasa level na ako ng kanilang qualifications, I made sure na mag-a-apply ako. And I did make it, no. So, ganun lang, no? Apply lang tayo ng apply kung yun talaga yung company gusto natin. Feeling ko ito na yung season para makakapasok kayo. How about yung looking for promotion? So, the Sun, the World card, and the Knight of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito is, it may not be this season, but I can see a promotion. I feel like around August, September, no, around that season, nakikita ko na ang promotion mo. How about for those who are looking for an increase? I feel like parating na rin. Na, although hindi masyadong maganda ang nangyayari sa romance ah, ng ating fire signs, when it comes to finances and jobs, good job naman, no? May bawi talaga. Ang increase mo is, I think, from 2 to 4% of your salary. So, congratulations, agad-agad. So, when it comes to general, no? General message for our fire signs. General message, the Eight of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Five of Wands. So, mabilis tayong manawa, no? Mabilis nating bitawan lalo na wala tayong nakikitang pag-asa. With the Judgment, the Four of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. Huwag na natin masyadong ipaglaban ang isang bagay na meron na tayong gut feeling, no? Kumbaga sinasabi na ng sarili natin na bitawan mo na, tigil mo na, no? Humanap na ng iba, no? Kumuha na ng options. So, yun po ang message sa inyo in general. So, your lucky number is 21 and your lucky color is beige. Yan po. So, this is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. So, maraming salamat po, no? Love and light, namaste, and see you po sa susunod ng reading. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the